everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so you know in this present time you need to improve your immunity, like you need to boost your system, you need to cleanse your colon, you need an healthy lifestyle, okay, to stay put. Yeah, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make your garlic juice for boosting your immunity, for improving your immunity. Yeah, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome, and if you're not new, you are welcome equally. Okay guys, so if you want to know all of it, stay put, subscribe, thumbs up, and share the video, of course. All right, let me take you right into the video. Now I want to show you a very good immunity booster, your physical health booster. Garlic juice is going to be helpful in boosting your immune system. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to be needing some apple. Now apple is a great ingredient that helps to flush out toxins from the skin. It helps equally to boost your immunity when you mix it up with other ingredients that I'm going to be mixing it up right now. Okay, and it's actually a very healthy drink. So this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to be cutting the apple. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting all of them. Okay guys, so since you're gonna be drinking this, you don't have to wash and sanitize it for it to be really clean. And then we'll reach for our blender. This is it, and we'll be keeping that aside. So now we'll be grabbing the garlic, and then we'll have to be taking some of the garlic. Now you don't have to take too much, okay, because you don't have to drink garlic too much. So after doing that, then we'll have to be washing it. And then we put it inside the apple. Now we have just 4 cloves of garlic here. That is actually okay, not so much guys. Now if your garlic is actually very small, you don't need too much of it. Now the next thing we're going to be needing is cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy for the body guys. Using cucumber helps to boost your immunity. Now mixing it up with garlic is going to, reduce the hotness of the garlic guys. That's why we need cucumber. Now since I have half cut of my cucumber here, I'm equally going to be using this, and then I'll assist my blender in cutting this. Yeah, so you have to cut it in pieces. And then we will be washing it, since it's something that we're going to be drinking. We need it to be sanitized and clean. Put it into the blender, and this is good. So the next thing, we're gonna be needing some ginger. Now ginger is a great remedy because it helps to heal cough, flu and catarrh, and it also helps to make the skin look really glowing, and it's also a great remedy for the skin. So we're going to be peeling this all off. Now after that, we'll have to sanitize it equally. Chop it. Now you can see that I am using just a little quantity of ginger. And now I would have to transfer it into the blender, and this is great, guys. I'm not gonna be putting in no water. I'm gonna go blend this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is it. And now, before we even turn it, we're gonna be putting in apple cider vinegar. For you to detoxify your body, you need to use an apple cider vinegar to boost your immunity. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in 2 cups of apple cider vinegar into this. I was supposed to blend it again, but since I won't be able to blend it, I would have to shake it so that it can mix really well. And now your immunity booster is ready, guys. So you drink this in the morning, and it equally help you to remove all of your belly fats, and it leave you looking really, smart and ready to go. Okay, so you drink this with the help of the garlic and also the apple cider vinegar. It is going to help to improve your immunity and help you gain that stamina. Okay, so this is actually very good for the body because all of the ingredients in here are actually very natural, very effective and very helpful for the body. So go try this out. You're going to be loving it because all of the ingredients are superb. And do not put too much of garlic or too much of ginger, just a little quantity anytime you want to prepare, and you're good to go. So you can drink it with all of the fiber of the cucumber, or if you don't want, you can actually sieve it out. Invariably you're going to just juice out the cucumber, and then you mix all of this together and you're good to go, guys. Okay guys, so that's it. It's actually very simple to make. Basically, it's something that you already know. Just put them together and have your immunity booster, boost your immune system, clean your colon and have a healthy life. Okay, and you are gonna be loving your body generally because it's going to equally show on your skin that you are healthy. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I will come your way again. Bye guys.